Hi, my name is David Kahn, and you're watching my channel, Justice for Men. So, what a channel, what a name. Look, Justice for Men. Just think about it. Why do we even have to come up with this topic? Why do I have to make a YouTube channel just to get my word out, or just to talk about justice for men? Is there really injustice in family courts for men? Is it really? So I have spoken to a lot of people in this country. People from FBI, people from CIA, people from police department, congressmen. I have sent out the letters to the White House. I have spoken to so many people. Nobody is willing to take responsibility, but everybody's agreed upon one point. One common point, everybody says, family courts are drama, they're bad, they deliver injustice, they're unfair, they do the wrong thing to the fathers. Everybody agrees upon one common thing. So today I'm going to give you some tips, okay? All the fathers are facing this corrupted, perverted, unfair, biased, ridiculing fathers, family courts. The few tips are how to tackle or handle these judges who have their own mind. They don't want to follow the rules. They don't want to follow no laws. They think they're above law. But when I became United States citizen, when I took an oath, we've been told by the Supreme Court judge that no man is above the law. Not even the President of the United States is above the law. No judges are above the law. But somehow in a family court, the judges think they're above law. Because I'm going to tell you the secret today why fathers are losing the battle. Number one, fathers don't talk like women. They don't come up with the accusations, false accusations. Remember, guys, I'm giving you the tips to win in the family court. The men don't go first attacking their wives, their girlfriends, or the mother of the children, petitioning first. So the first loss right there because you didn't go first. Second, when you go to the court and the petition was filed by your spouse or your significant other or a wife or whosoever you have the children by, there are a lot of accusations and you don't speak enough. When your turn comes, you need to stay calm and just listen what accusations are. Stay relaxed, and then when your time comes, when you have your turn to speak and you take a stand, make sure you leave no stone unturned. So when you are facing all these types of accusations, make sure address them properly. Write them down in the court, or your attorney, or whoever representing you. But make sure you're vivid, you're explicit, you're clear. Don't take no accusations and just sit there. Fight those accusations. These accusations gonna make your case. Whether you're gonna win or you're gonna lose. Majority of the men think, these are just accusations, the judge will understand. Judge knows. She's accusing me falsely. These are lies. No. Judges don't care because they're trained. They're trained retroactive concept that what is your background, where you come from, what you have done in the past. They look upon all these things. Judges are not the smartest people in the world. Judges are not the wisest people in the world. Don't think the judge will know. Not in United States. Maybe some other country, yes. Where judges have some nerves and some common sense, some intelligence where they ask you questions. Well, ma'am, you just accused a man, he raped you or he raped the children. Who did you call for help? And what was the result of that? Not in United States. They don't ask you. It's the false accusations and they go by what the accusations were. Whether it was false, the judges don't care. You make sure you defend yourself. So this is a tip number 3. You make sure every single accusation is being responded properly. Now the tip number 4, Don't trust your attorney. Don't trust your attorney, or don't trust the judge that they will deliver you the justice without you speaking a word. Make sure your attorney knows everything and your attorney speaks every single thing you have told your attorney. Okay? If your attorney is not speaking, you make sure you let the court know, because everything becomes the part of record. So the tip number 4, remember, don't trust the judge, don't trust the attorney. You cannot trust them. Only trust you and your story. Whatever you want to say, make sure your attorney says it. If they don't say it, you say it. Make a part of the record, because if the judge is going to be unbiased, unfair, unethical with you, or does something wrong to you, they have immunity. You can't file lawsuits against them. Maybe in some cases, but not like 99%, you're not going to have any victory. Maybe 1%, that's not much. So don't trust them. Get your story out there properly with a lot of words. Use a lot of words. That's the biggest tip I'm giving you. When you're in a family court, give a lot of words. Every single word you can use against your defense, in favor of your defense, in your defense. Anything you want to say it, say it. Don't think, oh, I should have said that, I should have said that. No. Say it right in the court. If the judge says sit down or have a seat, says, Your Honor, I wasn't done yet. Or Judge, I wasn't done yet. I want to tell you the truth. And if he says no, that will be part of the record. So if you decide, or your attorney decide, to go to the appeals court, this will help you. So the wrong or false decision can be overturned. You can win. Maybe the victory is not going to mean anything anymore, because if you lost connection with your children, like I've lost my 4 children in the family court, of course the family court committed a crime against me. But the good part about it, that now we're going for appeals. I'm in appeals court. So I have said the right things. The judge wasn't expecting that I'm going to go to the appeals court. Because, okay, so now the tip number 5. When you see every single thing good for you, in your favor, in your defense, and accuse the mother. Accuse the mother. If you find something she's doing wrong, accuse her. Don't just sit there and say, she's the mother of my child. She's no longer your mother's child. She's your enemy. She's your adversary. She's there to hurt you. The judge is going to hurt you. The other side of the attorney is going to hurt you. The law guardian is going to hurt you, the attorney for the children. They're all there to hurt you. They're not for you. They don't care about you. Not in the United States. Maybe some other country, yes. And within the United States, no, they're not there to help you. United States of America does not deliver justice. You have to fight for it. There is no justice. I'm telling you, there is no justice. That's why you hear this slogan all the time: no justice, no peace. Black lives matter. No justice, no peace. Why do we hear this? Because they know, people now waking up, they know there is no justice. So these judges have their knees upon our necks. They're trying to kill us, and we can't breathe, because our children are our breath. They are our breath. They are our oxygen. We want to live with them. We want to raise them. We want to take them to school. We want to give them our trades. We want to teach them our business. We want to teach them swim, boxing, gymnast, dance, whatever we can. Whatever we have, we want to teach them. But we can't, because of the judges don't want us to. So fight. So the tip is to fight in the court. Fight. Accuse the mother. If you feel like she's an alcoholic, she drinks, she does drugs, she does something, don't hide it. Accuse her. Tell her. Tell the judge that what she does. Don't hold it back, because this is what the men make mistake. We don't say. When we don't say, the judges take it as submissive. And then the judges don't take you serious. They say, he's not saying anything. He's an easy target. He's not going to go to appeals. How many? What is the appeal rate? 0. Nobody goes in appeals. Very seldom people go to appeals. And you know, appeals is it's 97% appeals get thrown out. Nothing happens. Only 3%. Some people say 7%, but I would say 3% appeals overturned, or they listen to you. So make sure when you're in a family court, you fight, you accuse, You tell the judge what the mother's doing the wrong things. Tell them, don't be scared. Judges are not God, they're public servant. They're elected officials. They're not there because they're so intelligent. They're there because they ask for vote and people give them vote and they become elected officials. Some people say vote them out. Doesn't matter. You're going to vote one out to bring the second one. It's going to be the same way. Because the system is bad. It has nothing with the person. They think this judge is going to be better than this judge. No. Judges are judges. They follow the same rules that they made for this judge or that judge. You can't vote them out. This is false impression when people say vote them out. You're going to vote one person out and the second person going to do the same thing. They all are the same. Whether it's the judge, whether it's the attorney, whether it's the law guardian, it's the same people. And I'm not crazy saying all these things. People say, oh, everybody complains and talk about it. Yeah, well, if I'm crazy, that the whole America is crazy. I spoke to so many people on a daily basis. I interview people all the time. And I ask them, how do you feel about family court? They all say family courts are bad. There's many books written about it, many theses written about it. There's a lot of articles about it. And nobody wants to come out because they all are scared. Don't be scared. Come, talk. Don't be scared of the judges. Judges not God. They don't know anything. The only thing they know when you tell them. If you don't tell them, they're not going to know anything. So tell them your side. Make them part of the record. Make sure as much as your spouse has accused you of, you defend yourself. You address every accusations and accuse her for whatever she has done wrong when you take a stand. Don't hold it back. Go prepared. All women come prepared. They're menace, they're clever, they're conniving, they're bad humans. Good people don't go to the courts. Good people don't go to courts. Just remember, it's the bad people go to the courts. Okay, now we're going to talk about the criminal courts. Well, somebody was caught stealing, murder, rape. Okay, well, that's different. Third party catches you like a police or law enforcement. They bring you to court. That's different. But if the mother of your children keep running towards the court, they're bad humans. So you cannot fight a bad human with so, yes, it's okay, yeah, it's okay. Remember, what happened to Jesus? He said, somebody smacked you one cheek, turn the other one. What happened? They killed him. Yes, they killed him because he allowed it. So don't allow it. Keep on watching my more tips in my next channel. This is Kahn. You're watching my channel, Justice for Men. Thanks for watching.